Today I'm going to show you how to copy your API key ID in ElevenLabs quickly and easily. If you're working with integrations, automations, or developer tools, knowing where to find and copy the key ID can save you a lot of time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and go to elevenlabs.io/app developers API keys. This is the official ElevenLabs API keys page where all of your developer keys are managed in one place. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct ElevenLabs account so you can see the API key you want to use. After you're on the API keys page, look for the API key you want to copy the ID from. Next to that key, you'll see a 3 dots menu. Go ahead and click those 3 dots to open the additional options for that API key. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Copy Key ID. Click that option and ElevenLabs will copy the key ID to your clipboard automatically. At that point, you can paste it wherever you need it, whether that's in your app settings, a workflow tool, or a code file. If you don't see the key you expected, double check that you're in the right workspace or account and that you're looking at the correct API key. And that's it. You've now copied the API key ID in ElevenLabs in just a few simple clicks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.